I tell you, these cryptos, they're turning my hair gray. It's stressful, it really is. Hi there, crypto fans. Dick Allgire here in Honolulu, Hawaii. I'm out by the pool today because we have breaking news. I've got to do a quick update. Sam Bankman-Fried, I call him Sam Bankrun-Fried, has been arrested in the Bahamas. He's going to be extradited to the United States soon. They have a sealed indictment that's going to be unsealed tomorrow in the Southern District of New York. Why is that interesting? This is going to be one of the great shows. We're about to see a lot of great shows on many levels as we have the sudden death over time of our financial system, the sudden death over time of our culture, and the sudden death over time of Western civilization. And Sam Bankman-Fried is one small piece of that. So he's been indicted in New York. So when they bring him into town, they will put him in the Metropolitan Correctional Center. Where have we heard that before? That's where Jeffrey Epstein took his own life. Yeah, he committed suicide there. That dog doesn't sound too happy. Anyway, we have a howling dog. That's going to be the sound of Sam Bankman-Fried when he goes to prison. Yeah, he's going to squeal like that. Anyway, he's going to be, if he doesn't bail out, he says he's only got $100,000. I assume his bail is going to be, he'll have a tough time making bail. Unless Daddy and the Democratic bigwigs bail him out, he'll be in the Metropolitan Correctional Center. I'll have to talk to my friend Jay Snip about that. I bet he'll have some interesting ideas. Anyway, Sam Bankman-Fried arrested. Watch the show, it's gonna be good.